customers and changed behavior, just changed banks to become digital only in many ways. What do you think? Where are we going with this? I mean, will it stay with us in 2021?
It's clearly a big move and an acceleration in each continent about that. This is the reason why I feel also the emerging of education, because people forget consumer education about finance. I know in a Anglo-Saxon country, this is an habit, but clearly for some European country in Europe, it's a little bit new, such as France. They don't have the habits to make money, to be entrepreneur, and it's clearly a new trend. And in order to adopt this new habits, new solution, you need to educate people. As more and more customers get on the digital board, fintechs will have to focus on building trust and consumer engagement, especially given the time when cybersecurity is extremely vulnerable. To be critical and to stay ahead of the competition than offer fintech's brand, it is necessary to focus on the security along with making the procedure simple for consumer. Communication and education are one of the major key ways to drive engagement with customer. While the digital payment process might not be new for some segment of consumer, it is entirely a new process for another segment of people. So it becomes the brand's responsibility to build transparency in communication and make the consumer aware of all activities in a simple way so they can understand fraudulent and activity beforehand. Because usually people are afraid of the new things, of a new technology. And during the lockdown, you realize they don't have a choice. They have to use the technology to move on. For the shoppers, for the consumer, because you have to stay at home, you have to close your shop, but you have to try to make a business and consume. This is the reason why we see a big development of using of fintech solution, clearly.